Keep it 100.
Yeah, and everything we do, we gotta do as unto the Lord. It's by His grace. Gotta keep it 100. Okay.
What I look like, Karen, if the world don't feel us. I serve a God who died harder than Bruce Willis. Man's born sick, and he just gets iller. And an optimistic Brian, he can transform a killer. He can transform a dealer. Ask Shay Sign, we was all born sinners. Ask my mom, my nature's no better than Judas, and that's the truth. Without the spirit, I'm an arrogant, adulterous dude. So I keep accountability until I get old. Tadashi said, bring the heat, cause the world's so cold. I gotta live 100 so my feet don't slip. I gotta be like Jacob, more holy, less hip. By His grace, show Barack, I'm gon' spit the real. Been doing that reach life before I got the deal. Called to make many me's to the day that I die. So on my tombstone say he didn't die, he multiplied, kept it.
Gotta keep it 1 for 100. My men keep it 1 for 100. My ladies keep it 1 for 100. My peoples keep it 1 for 100.
Back in the year of the 200, this random thug tried to strong arm the show. Me and my boys on the corner just sharing our faith. My man staring at me like he got something to say. He proceeds to size us up, acting tough, talking loud. I tried to ignore him, but this fool attracted a crowd. I expected some resistance, but this ain't what I wanted. I had 99 problems, this made
100.
He looked me in my face and said, if you love that Christ, you have no problem with me sending you to see Him tonight. I'm thinking option number 1 is we could turn the other cheek. Number 2 is we could stomp his loud mouth in the street. But that's what they want to see us fail when they test us. Talk a good game, but then crack under pressure. So I pray to God, if I gotta take this L, I hope out of this, you will get your glory as well. So this cat stared at us for a second or two, jumped at me and smirked like I'm playing with you. I had to represent the Lord, even though they were stunting. No matter what they do, we gotta keep it
100.
Gotta keep it 1 for 100. My men keep it 1 for 100. My ladies keep it 1 for 100. My peoples keep it.
Okay, here we go.
1 for 100.
They move their lips, but their words mean nothing. They think God got their back, but the boys just frontin'. They talk loud, but we can drown out the sickest boys. We like Chicago, willing to make the Illinois.